In this video, we are going to go through how to submit a customer-led application from within our portal. From inside the portal, select New Application, select your relevant loan product from the drop-down menu, and then select OK. If the customer has selected a vehicle, click Yes and complete the vehicle details. Note that this can be changed later in the process if the application is approved within the dealer portal. If no vehicle is selected, you will be asked what type of vehicle the customer is interested in and how much they are wanting to spend. Add any on-road costs, and if there is a dealer fee, you can add this here. If the customer will be trading in a vehicle, you will be asked to enter the vehicle's plate number. This will search and automatically pull through the vehicle's information. And add the estimated trade-in value here. If the trade-in vehicle is currently financed, complete the balance owing here. And if the customer has a cash deposit for the new vehicle, add that amount here. You need to select the loan purpose, product and promo from the drop-down menus. This information will pre-populate the interest rate in the next section. You need to select the loan term and payment frequency from the options available. This can be changed at a later date if required. Set the settlement date as the loan contract start date and enter the customer's requested first payment date. Note that there is an option asking if you'd like our team to assess whether they can approve a lower amount if the original amount cannot be approved. Your quote will be automatically calculated. You can also generate a copy of the quote to provide to the customer. Next, you'll be required to enter the applicant's information and whether they are applying for a business and the number of parties they are applying for. Next, confirm whether the customer meets the criteria listed here and has read, understood and accepted the privacy policy. You now have the option to send a link to the customer for them to complete the rest of the application. Then you can save and exit out of the application. Sending the customer the link gives them the opportunity to review certain details already entered by the dealer and amend as required. Once reviewed and any necessary amendments made, the customer must confirm they have read and agree to the privacy policy and credit inquiry. Next, the customer must enter their driver license details. Visa information needs are to be entered here and must be shown exactly as are shown on the visa document. The customer will need to complete their personal details, listing their current address, marital status and dependents, along with their employment type. The fields they'll need to complete will vary depending on what they select. If they have any other additional income sources, these can be entered here. They need to enter any other expenses, such as rates or childcare, can be entered here. If the customer has any credit cards, they can enter this information here, and they can enter any hire purchase, existing loans, and other financial commitments here. There are two options available to retrieve bank statements. Number 1 being internet banking, and number 2 being document upload. If required, the section can be skipped and completed after the application is submitted using the Provide Later option. If the customer would like to add any notes to the application for our lending team, they can enter these here. And if they have any further documents to support their application, these can be uploaded here. Once all of this information has been supplied, the customer can hit Submit to submit the application, and an outcome will be displayed within 60 seconds. This will display one of 3 outcomes, these being Refer, Conditionally Approved and Declined. Refer means we need to review your application. Conditionally Approved means that your application has been conditionally approved, and Decline means that we are unfortunately not able to provide your loan at this time. If you have any questions on how to submit a customer-led application, please contact our support team.